initial days of my training sessions or my speeches, I used to find it little challenging to have engaging sessions, to create a kind of lasting impact, such that my audience remembers what I say. Over a period of time, I could unlock some secrets. And today in this video, I'm going to share 3 secrets to have such lasting impact. These are very simple, but very powerful, and I would say almost complete in one sense. If you follow these 3 secrets, I'm sure you are going to have an engaging session and a lasting impact. So stay tuned till the end, and I'm going to unlock these 3 secrets for you. By the way, there are various models and techniques. I have created a special video on Train the Trainer in 10 minutes. You will be able to find the link here. Go and watch that if you have not watched that till now. And also do subscribe and like, and also share comments related to your questions or queries or anything that you liked from my videos in the comment box, and I'll be happy to answer to those. Okay, now coming to those 3 secrets. I name it as Formula C. C. S-E-A. Each of these alphabets stand for something. You will be able to remember this formula of C with the help of this abbreviation. So let's see what SEA stands for. For the first secret, I want you to remember about your childhood days. How would your mother teach you something? Or how do you teach your kids about the values and special things or ideas that you want to share with your children, and you want them to remember for a long period of time? If you guessed it, you are right. Stories. Very powerful tool. In your sessions, always have stories. Tell your own stories or stories of people related to you, or let your audience share their stories. We human beings have this inbuilt quality in ourselves that we remember those things which have come through stories for almost entire life. So use this very strong thing in your training sessions. Now coming to the second secret. Again, how did you feel valued when your parents would treat you in a certain way, or anyone for that matter? When do you feel valued? When the other person empathizes with you, right? And that is the second key, empathy. Listen to the unspoken words. Try to understand your audience. Try to understand their expressions. If you are telling them something and if they're not accepting, understand from their face and let them open up. Let them share their ideas. So empathy is very powerful. Be open to the feelings, to the unspoken words of your trainings. Now coming to the last but very important. We trainers or speakers, we feel that speaking is the main part of training, but we are wrong. Let your audience ask. That is the third key, ask. S-E-A. A stands for ask. Let your audience ask questions. Questions is very important for our learning. You would agree with me that during our childhood days, when we asked certain question to our teacher and they answered, those concepts and those particular topics we remembered for a very long period of time. I still remember those questions, the topics that I asked to my teacher. I still remember those topics, and what my teacher answered, I also remember that. So this particular questioning is a very important tool, very strong tool to engage and create a lasting impact in your audience. So let them ask questions in between. What are the questions that they have from you? Let them ask. Don't be afraid of the questions. Tell them truthfully whatever you know. If you don't know, it's okay. You can always come back. So these were the 3 powerful tools: stories, empathy, and ask. Let them ask questions. If you have any question related to training domain, feel free to ask in the comment box, and I'll be happy to answer to your questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.